How to make gulab jamun at home, seen my video. Make this like this Amul milk. Make it like this. Also take fortune while. Make this round. Take a 1 liter water and boil it. After boiling, in this 200 gram, maybe 250 gram sugar. Make just like this. First this like this. उसके बाद इसे इस तरह से कढ़ाई में फॉर्चून तेल डालकर छान, ऐसे पूरे गरम तेल में छान। उसके बाद उसे गरम रस्से में डालकर और this is ready after that